How to make green screen effect on Android device. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the another video. And in today's video we will learn how we can make green screen effect on Android device. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, open up CapCut in your device. Under CapCut, tap on new project. After that, you have to select a background image for your green screen video. For example, I have this image right here, tap on it. So once you have your background image, now tap on the overlay option from the menu bar at the bottom and here tap on add overlay. Now select your green screen video. You could resize this green screen video on this timeline at the top here. I will just resize it right here. After you do that, tap on your green screen video. Then you have to scroll to Chroma Key. Swipe to your left. Tap on remove background and there is an option as Chroma Key, tap on it. Now you have to select the color green. Then you could adjust the intensity in shadow to make the background clean, and once you're done, simply tap on export. Here I will just increase the intensity here. Once you're done, tap the tick mark. Now if you move this overlay or your green screen video, as you can see, the green screen is now removed and we could see the background here. So I'll just keep it right under this interface. So that's how you could apply the green screen effect on your Android device with the CapCut. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.